Hi everyone, welcome back to ANR Academy. Today's concept, Goa Rule. This is not the rule made by Goa government. This is the rule to remember the point of intersection of tangents drawn at two different points on the standard form of parabola y square equal to 4ax. We know that parametric form of point on standard form of parabola at1, that can be written as at1 square comma 2at1. Another parametric point, parameter here t2. Then the point denoted by at2 square comma 2at2 in general. We know that geometric mean, that can be written as root over a into b. Here G indicates geometric mean and A indicates arithmetic mean. Here geometric mean, which is by x coordinates of A and B, and arithmetic mean, which is by y coordinates of the points capital A and capital B. You have at1 square, at2 square, product of these two. Inside the square root you have to write at1 square, at2 square, and it is finally at1 t2. That is x coordinate of point of intersection of tangents. So in this way you have to remember x coordinate. Next, y coordinate. Without solving equation of lines, directly by this Goa rule you can write the point of intersection. Now observe y coordinate. Here y coordinates of capital A, capital B are 2at1, 2at2. Find out arithmetic mean of 2at1, 2at2. That is first term plus second term divided by 2. On simplification, it gives the result a of t1 plus t2. So that is y coordinate of point P. So in this way you can easily remember the point of intersection. Let us see the proof. We know that standard form of parabola y square equal to 4ax. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. If you differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, we get 2y dy by dx equal to 4 times of a. Why? Because x derivative 1. On simplification, I can write y into dy by dx equal to 2 times of a, and the value of dy by dx become 2a divided by y. Dy by dx is slope. Slope at point A I am going to calculate, that is 2a divided by point A whose coordinates at1 square, 2at1. So here you have to write 2at1. Why? Because y coordinate that is. Therefore 2a gets cancelled and we get 1 by t1, that is slope of tangent at the point A. Similarly, slope at point B, that become 1 by t2. Now I am going to write equation of tangents. First tangent at A I am going to write. You know that equation of line y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. That implies here x1 y1 is a point on the straight line. We know that point A whose coordinates a_t1 square comma 2a_t1. So y1 here 2a_t1 and slope m 1 by t1. Next x1 a_t1 square. On simplification it is y_t1 minus 2a_t1 square equal to x minus a_t1 square. If you simplify this, we get y_t1 equal to x plus a_t1 square. This is first tangent at A. In the same way, if you select the point B, another tangent we get y_t2 equal to x plus a_t2 square. This is tangent 2. We got equation of tangents. Solving these two tangents, then we get point of intersection. Now I am going to solve these two. If you subtract TB from TA, what happens? Observe. On subtraction we get y common element. Inside we get T1 minus T2. X gets cancelled. And from these two, if you take common A, inside the bracket we get T1 square minus T2 square. That can be written as T1 minus T2 into T1 plus T2. Neglecting T1 minus T2, then we get y coordinate. Y become A of T1 plus T2. This is clearly, in our earlier discussion, y coordinate here you have A into T1 plus T2. That is clearly arithmetic mean of y coordinates of points capital A and capital B. So that here it is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So that it is arithmetic mean. Next, substituting the value of y in this, we get the value of x. You know that y_t1 equal to x plus a_t1 square, and just now we got the value of y, that is a of t1 plus t2, a of t1 plus t2 multiplied by t1 equal to x plus a_t1 square. Solving this, we get x coordinate. This is a_t1 square plus a_t1 t2 equal to x plus a_t1 square. Neglecting a_t1 square on both the sides, we get x coordinate, that is a of t1 t2, and this a of t1 t2 written as geometric mean of x coordinates of capital A and capital B. This is clearly geometric mean. Therefore, the point of intersection P written as first term a t1 t2. This is x coordinate. Next, y coordinate. Y coordinate you have a of t1 plus t2. This is a of t1 plus t2. This is about the point of intersection, and here it is geometric mean, and this is arithmetic mean. Here you have comma. So G comma M, sorry, A. So you can easily remember that it is point of intersection is by Goa Rule. So in this way you can easily remember the point of intersection without doing all these, without solving the equations, without solving slope. Directly by this short technique you can write point of intersection of given tangents, which are tangents with respect to standard form of parabola y square equal 4ax only, remember, not for other parabolas. When it is of standard form, then only this is the rule. Thank you so much.